Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5. Now, 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 power 2. And this is just like writing 2 power 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 power 4. So 16 is 2 power 4, and this is raised to the power of 6. Minus this is 2 power 4, and this is raised to the power of 5. Now, if you have a power x to the power of y, is equals a power x times y. So you have 2 power 4 times 6. That is 24 minus 2 power 4 times 5. That is 20. So from here, I can have 2 power 24 is simply 20 plus 4 minus 2 power 20. So if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, I will simply have 2 power 20 times 2 power 4 minus 2 power 20. So let's factor out 2 power 20. I have 2 power 20 times this divides 2 power 20. I have 2 power 4 minus 2 power 20 divides 2 power 20. I have 1. So from here, I'll have 2 power 20 times 2 power 4. That is 60 minus 1. So from here, we have 2 power 20 times 16 minus 1. That is 15. Now remember, 2 power 20 is 2 power 10 times 2, and this is times 15. And we can also express this as 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 times 15. And don't forget that 2 power 5 equals 32. So 2 power 10 equals 2 power 5 to the power of 2, which is what? 32 power 2. And this is 1024. So this 1024 power 2 times 15. And 1024 power 2 is just like writing 1000 plus 24 power 2 times 15. So if you have a plus b power 2 equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And this is my a, this is my b. So this means 1000 squared plus 24 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24. And everything here will multiply 15. So right now, 1000 squared is 1000 times 1000. That is 1 million plus 24 squared is 24 times 24. And this is 576. You can check that out. Plus this is 48,000. And this will multiply what? 15. So 1 million plus 48,000, that is 1,048,000 plus 576. This is 1,048,576, and this will multiply 15. So let's carry out the multiplication. 1048,576 times 15. Now, what we are going to do will be, we start using 5. So right now, 5 will multiply 6, and that is 30. We have 0 and carry over 3. 5 multiplies 7, and that is 35. And from there, we have 35 plus 3, 38. That's 8 and carry over 3. So also, we have 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28, 8 and carry over 2. We have 5 times 8, that is 40. 40 plus 2, that is 42. 2 carry over 4. And 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. And 5 times 0, 0. 0 plus 2, we have 2. 5 times 1, we have 5. So we proceed to 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. And we add up everything together. So this is 0. This becomes 14. So we have 4 carry over 1 out here. This becomes 16. 6 carry over 1 out here. This is 8. This is 12. 2 carry over 1 out here. This is 7. This is 5. This is 1. So our final answer for that is 15,728,640 is our answer for this is 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5 equals 15,728,640. I can also express this as 2 power 4 or power 6 minus 2 power 4 or power 5 equals the same number. And if you multiply this exponent, what you are likely to get will be 2 power 24 minus 2 power 20 equals 15,728,640. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.